Spragga Benz calls out political dubplates' serious message for artists. More breaking dancehall news, my people. Spragga Benz just unleashed a scathing critique of fellow artists, accusing them of political pandering and distracting the people with dubplates during serious times. Let's get into it.
Serious times are more serious than any other time in history. And them bumble are deal with dubplate for try to stray the people in mind from issues.
Spragga says instead of addressing the problems affecting Jamaicans, poverty, crime, leadership, some artists are selling out for political jingles. To him, that's bowing to the system and betraying the culture.
When I get down to dubplate and trivialities, I rate not one on because I know say none on the don't mean nothing good for Jamaica. You see me I say, maroon, that mean rate.
This is a bold move. Dancehall has a long history with politics. From Michael Manley's rallies in the 70s to dubplates being used as campaign tools. But Spragga's saying in 2025, Jamaica needs solutions, not songs. His words challenge artists. Are you helping the people or just chasing a quick bag? What do you think? Is Spragga Benz right that political dubplates are a distraction, or is it just part of the music business? Drop your thoughts below on SonicSnap.